Did you know you could get a lot of money from sending messages online? You could make a lot of money from just sending messages online. I mean, you have sent so many messages in your entire life, but I'm sure you didn't know that there was a profitable way to make money online from sending messages. It's very, very simple to do. Just watch this video all the way to the end so that you understand how it works. All you basically need is a smartphone or a laptop and internet connection, of course, which you do have. This is available worldwide, so if you're in Africa or Australia, Asia, Europe, America, South America, it doesn't matter. You can get access to this opportunity right now. It's really, really easy, but you still need to put in a bit of effort if you would like to make enough money to sustain yourself. Please just subscribe to the AD Money channel. It's free to subscribe. Just click that red button and click that bell icon. That is the notification bell, which means that every time I upload a new video to help you make more money online, you will receive a notification. So what you want to do, you want to come onto Instagram, instagram.com. This is Instagram. Now, you might be like me who doesn't really use Instagram to post photos, to post my daily life and so on and so forth. So don't worry, I'm going to show you just what you need to know, which is basically how you can make money from just having an Instagram account with no followers. You don't need any followers. You don't really need to post anything at all, but you can still make some money. So if you don't have an Instagram account, just create one. It's absolutely free. Just put in your details, username, password, email address, and so on and so forth. You know the story. Now get an account. Now, of course, you don't need any followers. If you do have any followers, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. So what you want to do, you want to come over onto Instagram and you want to search for maybe like a sports category. For example, you put a hashtag and then you can put in maybe basketball, and you will see that there are 30 million posts over here on basketball. Or you can do, for example, tennis, which I've already done over here. There's already 12 million posts. Or you can even do football, which will have around 74,000 posts. So let's say, for example, we decide to choose basketball. So we've typed in the basketball, hashtag basketball, and we can see there's 30 million posts, more than 30 million posts. So now every photo down here is related to basketball. So every photo right here has been posted by somebody who is just posting photos on basketball, and everybody who follows them all love basketball because that's the reason why they followed them. So what you want to do, you want to select a couple of images and open them. For example, you can choose maybe this one, then you would like to open in a new tab. Then you can choose to open this one, open in a new tab. Then you can find different ones as well. You can decide to open this one, then open in a new tab. So we will have this one over here, then we'll have this one over here, and then we have this one over here. Now, when you come over here, you can see the information on the person who actually posted this image. So you'll see that the person has 122,000 followers. And if we come over here, we can see the person who posted this image has 148,000 followers. And then, for example, this one, the person has 37,000 followers. Now, how do you make money from this? I'll show you. Just pay attention. Go onto a website called bonfire.com. Now, Bonfire is a place where you can design t-shirts. It's very easy to do. Just watch the video and you'll see how amazing this is. As you can see, design your next favorite custom shirt. So first thing you need to do, of course, create an account, which is free. You'll see a button over here, probably get started, or just click on that, register, put in your details, username, password, email, you know the story, then get an account. I already have an account over here, so I'll show you what to do. What you need to do is you want to click on get started. So when you click on get started over here, basically it's going to take you over onto this page. Then you will see over here, sell custom products online by setting prices and creating a public campaign page. You want to click on that. Then you want to click on start new design. Start a new design. That is what you want to click on. So it's going to take you onto a page where you can design a t-shirt. Now, so when you're over here, basically you want to design a t-shirt, make it really nice. Now, because we are dealing with the basketball category, we want to go on to, let's say for example, we type in short, you go onto Google, type in short basketball quotes. Okay, short basketball quotes. So what you want to do is you just want to search and see. Okay, we have one that says deserve success, or practice doesn't make perfect, perfect practice makes perfect. That's a really cool one. Practice doesn't make perfect, perfect practice makes perfect. So that's a short quote over here. That's really cool because it's all related to basketball, you know, that sport kind of vibe. So you go back, and then where it says add text, you want to paste that quote. Then you can just click add text. So when you click on add text over here, basically it will be added onto your t-shirt, as you can see over here. Now we want to make sure that the size is actually readable so that people actually are able to read this. Make sure that it is readable. So okay, you just have to adjust everything, make sure that everything becomes very, very visible. So just work on it nicely. So practice doesn't make perfect. So we can decide to change the color. If the t-shirt is gray, just make the color of it black. You can change the font to maybe something different, something that looks much better. Whatever you find that really suits, the basketball theme, or if it's the tennis theme or the football theme that you've decided to choose, just choose like a nice font that looks really, really cool. As you can see, practice doesn't make perfect, perfect practice makes perfect. Now that's really cool. So then you can maybe click over here where it says find graphics. Then you can type in basketball over here. You can just search basketball. So when you search basketball, you'll see what comes up, if anything comes up. Okay, this looks pretty cool. I like this one. So then you can add this to your actual design and make sure that it actually fits nicely so that it looks presentable. So we can change the color to, let's say, if it's black. So okay, this is how it looks. Now you could actually make your t-shirt much better. I'm just doing this very quickly, very roughly, just for the video so that you understand how it works. So as you can see, this is how it is over here. Practice doesn't make perfect, perfect practice makes perfect. Then you have this cool basketball. Now definitely you're going to spend some more time on it, make it look really creative, put some different images. You can even upload some images that you find on Google. So maybe you can go onto Google and search maybe like a basketball, then, or let's say basketball shoe. Then you go onto images and maybe you find like a cool basketball shoe or something, or just simply like a basketball, and then you find something nice and you would like to add that to your t-shirt. Then you can just add that to your t-shirt, make it really, really nice. So basically once you're done, you want to click on this button that says next over here. Then you want to click over here where it says start selling. So click on this button that says start selling, which means that you are now getting ready to start selling this t-shirt that you just created right now. So it will ask you, the more you sell, it will say the more you sell per batch, the more you make per item. So you want to make sure that you put this to the highest over here because you want to sell as many as possible. And then they're going to tell you that you can change your price over here. So you can make your selling price $24 is good, which is basically $25. Then this company Bonfire is going to take the base cost, which is they're going to take $11, almost $12 out of the money per sale, and then your profit is going to be $13.49. Basically they take their percentage, of course, and then you remain with this. Of course your profit is always more than them. it's really worth it. Now let's say, for example, let's say you make $13 per t-shirt. Now that you have this, basically you're going to get your link. Very easy. I'm not going to make the video too long. You get your link so that people can click on it and decide to make a purchase if they like your t-shirt. Now basically what you want to do is that you want to go back onto Instagram, and then, for example, over here you would like to send these people messages. Now you must understand that on Instagram on your computer is different from Instagram on your phone. On Instagram on your phone you can send people DMs, which is a direct message. So you need to go and use your phone for this, because there's no direct message option on the desktop version, on the computer version. So you'll use your phone, and then you want to send direct messages to people saying that you would like them to advertise your t-shirt, because you'll send them your link and you want them to advertise your link on their page, which is going to be in the form of an advert, like a story ad, which is going to appear on their Instagram page for all their 140, as you can see over here, for all their 148,000 followers to see. Now they're going to charge you maybe like $30 to $50 for an advert, so that they can promote it for you. Now it's actually really worth it, because let's say, for example, in 148,000 people, if let's say only 14,000 people view the actual ad. Okay, just 14,000 view the actual ad. Now let's go into the calculator, because let's say that okay, calculator, spelling error over there. Okay, calculator. So let's say the account has 148,000 followers. Then only 14,800 people view it. Okay, now let's say only 1,480 people decide to make a purchase, or even 148 people decide to make a purchase because they're interested. Only 148 people out of 148,000, they decide, okay, this t-shirt really looks cool, I would like to make a purchase, and it doesn't really cost much, it's just $25. Okay, now when they buy it for $25 and you're going to make, let's say, $13.49 per purchase, you've made almost $2,000. That is a lot of money. So if you can see the potential of this, and you must understand that on Instagram there's so many potential clients, because if you go onto the football niche over here, the football category, you'll see that so many people are all interested in football, and they have so many followers that you can actually reach out to. 500,000 followers, 600,000, 1 million followers. So even if just 100 people out of 1 million decide to purchase your item, it's still a lot of money. It's still a lot of money. So this is how you make money from sending messages to people. And remember, you need to send the direct messages with the Instagram app on your phone, because you cannot do it on your computer. You might use your computer to design, of course, to design your t-shirt. You can use your computer to design your t-shirt, or you can use your phone to design your t-shirt. But if you want to reach out to the people and send them your link and say, hey, could you please just advertise my t-shirt on your page, I would really appreciate that. Of course, because they have a lot of followers, they will never say no. They might just charge you just a small amount, because they know the value of their account because of the amount of followers that they have. So they're going to maybe say, okay, maybe $20, $50, $30. So at the end of the day, let's say $50, you remove $50 from this amount that you've made, you still make a lot of money. So I mean, it's really worth it. It's really worth it if you understand the value and what you need to do. It's really worth it. So this is what I really wanted to show you today. It's absolutely easy to do. Just find a nice niche, maybe in football, basketball, maybe even in tennis, so many different things. So it will really help you. Just create a nice t-shirt. I mean, people love nice t-shirts. As a human being, you always need to have new clothes. No matter what, you can never wear the same clothes you wore 5 years ago and wear them now. It's just not going to happen. So people are always looking for nice t-shirts. So you can create a t-shirt now and you might not see a result immediately, but in 1 month's time or 2 months' time, people will just say, hey, I'm interested in this. And the hard work you put in long ago will pay off today. So I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, make sure to comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply, and please like the video if you enjoyed this and subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button to subscribe. It's absolutely free. I would really appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching, and cheers.